Hey guys, this is Hayden here at Freedom Homes. I wanted to take y'all through another single wide of ours. It's called the Anniversary. This house is awesome. It has a bunch of different floor plan options. This one's the 2-bed, 2-bath option. Another nice thing, we have this house with smart panel siding. So smart panel is very durable to high winds and hail. It's definitely what you need with this kind of weather we have here in Oklahoma, Kansas, Missouri area. Let's come in, let's check it out. Oh man, how beautiful. Man, this is awesome. This is a 2-bed, 2-bath. This is a 16 wide, 60 foot long. Look at that, just a huge built-in entertainment center. I don't have electricity hooked up to this home, but I will do my best to give you the best lighting for this so you can see everything. But man, how nice is this? You have your central air and heat unit right here. We include that in the pricing here at Freedom Homes. You have a nice little pantry storage here in the hallway. This is on your guest side, so we have your guest bedroom over here. You have the wood grain linoleum in the guest bedroom. This house is energy smart, so you have really energy efficient windows, upgraded insulation, and a brand new feature, a smart thermostat, the Ecobee. I don't know how you want to say it, but tomato. Either way, it's a smart thermostat. You can control this with your phone, whether you're home or away. If you could be at work right now and it's 67 right now, but by the time you get off, it's going to be 20 because it's Oklahoma. You can turn on that heater to warm up your home. Look in here, this is your guest bathroom. Not too bad. Not too bad. This is a cool little home for sure. Now, like I was saying, this house has some pretty cool floor plan features. This can be a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, I think even a 4-bedroom if you really wanted it to. But woo! Look at those transom windows. Oh, this is a cool feature. Wood beams across the ceiling. Have the ceiling fan. Come over here. We have the sliding glass back door. This has been one of our most popular floor plans, the Anniversary homes, because you get a little bit of everything out of it. You get the built-in entertainment center, you get the rustic look, sliding glass back door. And what's nice about this house, it has the wood grain linoleum throughout it, so it's really easy to clean. You don't have to worry about anything, but that entertainment center is something else. That is nice. Here's your kitchen. You have the bar area so you can actually sit, have a little cup of coffee. What's cool, these cabinets, they're wrapped with Duracraft lining. Duracraft, it's scratch and water resistant. So basically you get the real wood look without having to pay for the real wood price. And you have your range, dishwasher, and you get your fridge as well. But this is what everyone's been talking about. These farm sinks, gooseneck faucet. I mean, just really nice. So, this tells you a little bit about Duracraft here. American craftsmanship meets European technology. This is actually Duracraft is developed in Europe, and our company purchased from them. Said, hey, put it on our cabinets. We want them. And it's just been amazing. You have a reach-in pantry here. We even have some snacks. Might grab me a Pop-Tart after this. You have your utility room in here. Transom window in it, so it brings in your natural light. Don't have to do your laundry in the dark. On all of our houses, but we try to have them. Try to have a main water cutoff. What's really nice about that, if you did have some kind of leak or something, you can just come in here, you can turn it on or off. If you have to turn it off, fix your leak, and you can turn it right back on. And we'll come in here, this is your master bedroom right here. And what a big room we got here. Just a really nice sized room, double windows. Big closet. Check this closet out. Look how deep that goes. That's awesome. And then the creme de la creme, we have the big tub. Man, that's a big tub. Storage. Again, another transom window. And you get a double sink. Look at that. How nice is that? That's a real beautiful rustic look. Try to get all that in one shot for you. Double mirrors. Hopefully I don't break it by seeing me in it. Walk-in shower as well. So this house has a little bit of everything. You can see why this is such a popular home. It's just got a little bit of everything. You got the Duracraft cabinets. You got an energy smart home. It tells you right there. We ain't lying. Built-in entertainment center. Got the farm sink. Can't pass that up. Everyone loves that. That's beautiful. So come on by. Come check this out in person. We have a couple different models. 3-bed, 2-bath, 2-bed, 2-bath version of this home. Come check it out. We're at 9516 East Admiral Place, Tulsa, Oklahoma. Or you can check us out online, freedomhomesofTulsa.com. Thank you very much.